Hello and thanks for joining us. If you need to remove large volumes of water from an area, then I've got just the thing for you. This handy Puddle Sweeper Pump is ideal for removing clear water from flooded rooms and cellars. It can be fully submerged or operated in shallow water, can remove up to 100 litres of water a minute and reduce the water level to approximately 2 millimetres. The Puddle Pump runs off a 110 volt power supply. You'll need a 2.2 kilovolt ampere transformer, and we recommend using an RCD breaker, both of which are available at checkout on hss.com. To get started, put on some protective gloves, attach the hose to the pump using the screw connector and ensure the seal is present. Next, plug the pump into the power supply and turn the switch on. Finally, lower the 9.5 kilogram pump down into the water using the lowering rope. You should make sure that the pump is rested on a flat surface and at the deepest end of the room. Watch the pump whilst it works and check it periodically to ensure it has not become clogged or jammed with floating debris. When you have finished using the pump, you should switch it off, unplug it and wash it with clean water. Then reconnect the power, turn the unit on and lower it into a bucket of clean water. Allow the machine to pump a reasonable amount of clean water to clean out the internals. Once done, turn the pump off and disconnect the power cables. To find out more and to view our full range of pumping equipment, visit hss.com today.